Well, it looks like Debbie's been busy decorating again the buffet.
Yep, some changes once again. You know me, I can't just keep it the same way. It's got to be changed. But I got some new items that I wanted to show off, so.
Okay, you want to explain your new items?
Sure. That beautiful glowing pumpkin in the front is Mom's that she just got. So she graciously brought it over so that I can add it to my little pumpkin collection there. So it's beautiful. And then we have all these Mackenzie Childs pumpkins that between you and me, Mom, we have. And so I just wanted to display them all together.
Which ones are mine?
The two big gigantic ones.
Oh, the big black one, beautiful, and the big orange one.
Mm-hmm.
And all the rest are yours except for the white one.
Yes.
So I have 3 that are here. I have 2 Mackenzie, the big ones, and I have the one that glows in the center.
Yes.
Everything else is Debbie's.
All right, so then I got these ghosts that I've been talking about in other posts that I got from the 99-cent store. And they have these flashing colored lights. I just love them. They're so cute. And I don't know why. I only bought 2. There was more at the time. I shoot myself because I should have bought at least, 4
Probably,
or 5.
Yeah, at least 5.
So I could have shared with my mom, but I wasn't thinking. I don't know.
I've never even seen them.
Well, and then so I want to just tell you this quick little story. I saw these on one of my little pages that I go to, Mercari, and these people were selling them for $15, $20, and I was like, they're so cute, I want them. But something in the back of my head said, I think I could find these at the Dollar Tree. I don't know why I thought that, because I had never seen it before. And sure enough, the following week, I saw them. I'm like, I knew it. So I bought them for $1, and these people are selling them for $15, $20 plus, like a $5 shipping. So we have to be very careful when I'm looking on Mercari, because they're buying stuff really cheap and then selling them huge markup.
And a lot of people buy used things and sell them too.
Right. So, but they're super cute.
They are. And I would like a couple, but she didn't get any for me.
Sorry, I'm still looking if I can still find them, but
No.
I'm not holding out hope.
Well, that's the thing about Dollar Tree. If you don't grab it when you see it, like when I got those 2 trays that I did buy 2 of them like I wanted. I have never seen them since, and I love them, and they look really high end, and they were only $2 for 2 trays.
Mm-hmm.
Now look at this beautiful thing.
Yeah, my copper pumpkin. And actually I just stuck my, it's Mom's flower pot, Mackenzie Childs flower teapot. I don't know what they call it. Flower market or whatever. Anyways, if you guys seen previous post, it was in the autumn or fall post. And I just stuck the whole pot inside there with the flowers and everything. I thought, what the heck?
Looks beautiful.
I needed to fill that up, so.
Well, it looks really nice, and if you just put them in there, they've been flopping everywhere because it's such a big pumpkin.
Right. And then the sign behind, I don't think you've seen that before. It's kind of hard to see, but.
We can get closer. You want to read it?
Yeah, so it says, trick or treat, happy hunting, haunted house, jack-o'-lantern, toil and trouble, cobweb, and black cat.
Oh my gosh, that was hard with the plant in front of it. And of
So-
course, this is my really loved was here, beware.
Beware, yeah.
Yeah. Now, if they get something similar with a different word, that's fine.
They do have another one that says boo, which is smaller. I mean, it's only 3 letters, but it's still about the same price. I'm like, no.
No. Well, it might be something next Halloween or.
Yeah. So you want to come over here so you can see, you can show them my painting. It's actually Mom's. I say it's mine, but this is the Frankenstein, and this is another painting that came from that purple easel painting party place. And these pictures are done by the instructor, so they have a lot of them. and they were selling them for $1. And so I thought,
I think my daughter needs to take me over there and let me pick out any ones that I might want or like.
yeah, they have some really cute ones. And I mean, you can't get anything like that in a store for $1. So
Not even Dollar Tree.
yeah, so I thought it was so super cute.
And it's on real canvas.
Yeah, so it's really cute. And everything else pretty much is, you know, you've seen before. Let me turn the light on so you can get a little better. Oh, the pillow's new. You haven't seen that one. The boo pillow.
Isn't that cute?
And then I got this little
Pumpkin.
pumpkin from the 99-cent store.
Very nice.
But that's a oh my gosh, I can't even think. This is a pillow cover, and it came in a set of 4 from Amazon. So I think it was like $16. So it's like $4 a cover.
It's not bad.
No. Mm-mm. So I put that same little cover. It's got a different picture, but on where the copper jack-o'-lantern is sitting on.
Do you want to pick the jack-o'-lantern up or not?
Sure. Let me go around you. So you can see.
So each pillow does have a different cover.
Yeah, and Carlos just put it. I got a piece of wood, so
Now we can read the sign better too.
so, and it's just a piece of wood inside of here.
Mm-hmm.
But isn't that cute?
Turned out really nice. I like the witch going across the sky, and then the pumpkin and the black cat.
Yes.
Really cute.
So this is just temporary putting it here because I don't have anything else to cover my piece of wood. But I'll eventually put a pillow inside of it.
And since you have the sign uncovered, I'm going to shoot that again.
Oh, okay.
And let you read it where they can actually see it this time.
Okay.
Okay.
It says trick or treat, happy haunting, haunted houses, jack-o'-lanterns, foil and trouble, cobwebs, and black cats.
Finally, we can see it all at one time. Now, was that $1 or how much you paid for that, or do you know?
That was at the thrift store, and I think it was 50 cents.
It's even better.
And then put and this copper jack-o'-lantern I got at Home Goods, and it was $14.99. So
I think you got a steal on it
yeah,
myself.
it's pretty good. It's very good quality.
And it's quite large.
Yeah, it's pretty big, and this handle is really, really heavy.
Well, I think the whole thing looks really well made.
Mm-hmm. And then I put some candy corn in the pumpkins.
Oh, did you have to show Mom candy corn?
And then I have some other candy corn, the fall one that has the big pumpkins inside of it.
You know, this is going to sound crazy.
You don't like that one?
I think it looks prettier, but I like the taste of candy corn more. This is just too much sugar.
All right, so I'm going to turn the light on so you can kind of see everything now.
Nice and bright.
Yeah. Maybe back up, you can see everything.
Beautiful display, beautiful display.
Yeah, and so now I've got all the vignettes in my
Dining room.
are all done. And I think I'll just leave it the way it is now. I'm happy with it.
You finally are going to leave it for a while, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I don't want to mess with it anymore.
Well, I'm going to say bye to all of you. Hugs and kisses. I hope you enjoyed another video from my daughter's dining room and get to see how her buffet looks now after she's worked on it some more.
Mm-hmm.
And I love her ghosts, and she needs to get me at least 2 of them.
I'll keep looking.
Okay, and next year when they get some more pumpkins and something else, if even if it's a different color, just get it for me. And don't forget, I want those pumpkin napkin rings too.
Okay, I'm keeping a list, Mom.
Okay, keep a list.
All right.
Okay, well, we forgot to mention the pretty lampshade. Did you put something new on that, or is it the same?
It's just it's a cloth that you can put a string through it and make it look like a lampshade. It's actually, you can use it as a fireplace, mantle, runner, whatever. But then I just put some skulls on it just to kind of
make it scarier.
Yeah, but that's my Mackenzie Childs
lampshade
underneath.
Well, that's all we have to share today. See you later. Bye bye, guys.
Bye.